A Tibetan youth today set himself on fire during a protest in Delhi against the visit of Chinese President Hu Jintao later this week. Tibetans in India have been protesting against atrocities by the Chinese. The youth was rushed to Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, where he is undergoing treatment. He has reportedly suffered 90% burns and is critical. These are pictures that you're seeing of that protest that took place in the capital today. That youth who set himself on fire is in hospital and he is battling serious injuries. He has reportedly suffered 90% burns and is critical.
One of the Tibetan protesters has suffered about 90% burns when he suddenly set himself on fire at the Jantar Mantar, where the Tibetans have been sitting in protest against the Chinese premiers coming to India. We have one of the protesters with us to tell us what this entire thing is and how that the injured person is. So could you tell us something more about the boy who's got injured and why he set himself on fire?
The boy self-immolated himself, and we really don't have any idea who he is. But we really appreciate what he have done, because it's a struggle, and in the struggle there is a case of 30 self-immolation inside Tibet. And out of frustration, out of respect to all those bravery, the situation is getting worse inside Tibet, so the best boy self-immolate. We really don't have it is not organized by any organization, it was done by the individual.
It wasn't a planned attempt, the attempt to immolate himself.
It was not planned by anybody, it was a voluntary done by individual.
You don't know who the boy is?
We have no idea right now, we are looking forward to it.
Has anyone spoken to the doctors? We are told he suffered about 90% burns and the chances of survival are extremely difficult.
Yeah, I just sent somebody to check out, but there is a police already, so they will not let us go inside. So we will definitely figure out.